Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Unlocked Academy. In today's episode, we are going to focus on something that many English learners struggle with. Maybe you recognize this situation. You already know some English. You can understand conversations. You can read simple texts. You can follow audio. But when it's your turn to speak, everything slows down. Your thoughts become messy and you stop too often. You want to express a simple idea, but your mind starts doing too much. You search for the right words, you think about grammar rules, you try to build a perfect sentence. And because of that, your speaking loses its natural rhythm. So today, we're going to explore how to speak English with fewer pauses. We're going to learn how to think quicker and respond more smoothly in English. Not with stress, not with pressure, but in a more relaxed and natural way. So this episode is for you if you often say, "I understand English, but I can't speak easily." This episode is for you if you stop in the middle of your sentences. And this episode is for you if you want to feel more confident while speaking. So take a deep breath, stay calm, and let's get started. Okay, let's begin with something simple. Pausing is completely normal. Even native speakers pause. Even fluent speakers pause sometimes. Even confident people stop and think for a moment. So the goal is not to speak like a machine. The goal is not to talk fast all the time. The goal is to speak with less fear, less pressure, and fewer interruptions. Many learners believe that pausing means their English is weak, but that's not always true. Sometimes you pause because you care too much. Sometimes you pause because you want to be accurate. Sometimes you pause because your brain is doing too many things at once. You are thinking about vocabulary. You are checking grammar. You are trying to sound natural. You are avoiding mistakes. That's a lot to handle. So first, relax your mind. If you pause a lot right now, it doesn't mean you are bad at English. It only means you need more speaking practice in the right way. And here is the good news. With the right training, you will become faster and more comfortable. Now, let's talk about why this happens. One main reason is this. Many learners try to build every sentence from zero. They don't use ready expressions. They don't use simple patterns. They try to create everything word by word, and that takes time. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" You know the answer. It's easy. But inside your mind, this happens. First, you think in your own language. Then you try to translate it. Then you search for the correct tense. Then you question your grammar. Then you fix the sentence. And finally, you speak. Of course you pause. This is very common. But if you always start from zero, speaking will always feel slow. Fluent speakers don't do that. They use patterns. They use familiar phrases. They use chunks. Chunks are small word groups like I believe, to be honest. The main point is, what I think is. It really depends. I'm not sure, but these expressions help your brain move faster. You don't start from nothing. You already have a structure. And that makes speaking easier. Let me show you a quick example. Someone asks, "Do you enjoy working from home?" If you start from zero, you may hesitate. But with a pattern, I think working from home is useful because. Now you continue easily. Or, it depends. If I need silence, I prefer home. But if I want interaction, I choose the office. Can you feel the difference? It flows more naturally. That's exactly what we want. Another reason for pausing is translation. This is very common. Translation is not bad, it's neutral. It can help in the beginning. But if you translate everything, your speech becomes slow and heavy. Why? Because translation adds an extra step. You don't just think the idea. You think it in your language first, then convert it into English. That makes your brain work harder. For example, you see coffee. A fluent speaker thinks, I need coffee, very fast. But a learner may first think in their own language, then translate it. That delay happens again and again. So what can you do? Start small. You don't need to stop translating completely today. Just begin with simple moments. When you open a door, say, it's cold. When you sit down, say, I need to focus. When you check your phone, say, I have new messages. These small sentences connect English with real life. This helps your brain think directly in English. Now, let's talk about another big reason: perfection. Many learners don't just want to speak. They want to speak perfectly. Perfect words, perfect grammar, perfect sentences. But perfection creates pressure, and pressure slows you down. Sometimes you know a simple sentence, but you don't say it. Why? Because you are searching for a better word, a more advanced word, a more impressive word. For example, you want to say, I was very tired. That's correct. But then your brain says, maybe I should say exhausted, or drained, or worn out. And then you stop. Here is the truth. Simple English is strong English. If your message is clear, that is success. You don't need the best word. You need a usable word. This is the secret of fluency. First comes flow, then comes style. If you chase advanced language too early, you may stop speaking. So give yourself permission to be simple. Say, I'm tired. I don't understand. I like it. It was hard. These are powerful sentences. Now here is an important idea. Fluency is not talent. Fluency is not magic. Fluency is speed with familiar language. When language becomes familiar, your brain works faster. When patterns become natural, your speech becomes easier. So instead of only learning new words, practice patterns, practice groups, practice sentences you can reuse again and again. Let's take one simple frame. I want to. I want to improve my English. I want to speak more confidently. I want to practice every day. I want to feel more relaxed. Same structure, different ideas. This is smart learning. You are not just memorizing words. You are learning how English works. Before we finish, remember this. Speaking smoothly is not about changing who you are, it's about changing how you practice. Make your English lighter. Make it simpler. Make it more automatic. This week, keep things easy. Use short answers. use patterns, repeat ideas in different ways, and most importantly, keep speaking. Thank you for joining another episode of English Unlocked Academy. See you next time. Keep learning, keep practicing, and believe in your progress. Goodbye for now.